to be, really, isn't it? Okay, so I dropped Ashraf at home. I'm gonna go around here where, yeah, there's this place we went to earlier. It's 24 hours apparently, so it'll definitely be open. And they serve kind of, I would say, more Indian kind of based food, but still, it's really good, really cheap. Can't really complain. Yeah, cool. Okay, guys, I'm in here. We were here the other day. There's Restaurant Al Azad. Yes. Inquiring in here, which is always a good sign. There are loads of guys in here. Seems to be kind of a like Indian type situation. There's like rotis, chapatis, yeah, masala. Yeah, but there is also like I would call more Indonesian style stuff, or maybe Malaysian style, I guess. I ordered atosai bawang. I don't exactly know what it is. I think it's like chapati, so it's like bread, kind of like a mix with like dip, and some stuff, and some bread. We'll see. We'll see what turns up, I think. Yeah, it comes in like this metal tray that's all separated out. There's like a few different versions. There's like 10 or something different versions that are up on there. I chose the bawang, but I don't know what it is. I guess I'll find out. Yes, exciting. Yeah, you see here they're like watching football. Basically, they've got football on all the time. We were here like on the first day, not the first night, but the first day we came here. It was like literally right next door to our guest house. But yeah, excited to see what comes. Well, I also already got through a Horlicks. It's pretty amazing that you've got Horlicks here, just everywhere. It used to be something I used to have when I was a kid. Can't really get it many places in London, I don't think. Not sure, but it's quite big in New Zealand. You know, it's kind of like a malt drink, I guess. It's like a powder, you know, you mix yourself. Generally it's a hot thing, but they, you know, make it hot, I think, and then put ice in it. But yeah, really good, really good. Nice and creamy. I might get a different thing though. Maybe a lassi if they had it. I'll go check and see if they've got. But yeah, it's really nice place. Like, it's all guys that are working here. Actually, she's like the first woman I've seen in here. But yeah, super interesting. Yeah, super cheap as well. Okay guys, so this is our bawang situation. I actually wanted the one with 3 flavors, but this is good. This is good. It's a good start anyway. Might order another something at some point. Every time I order something, they kind of smile. They're like, does he know what he's ordering? No, I don't. But that's kind of the fun. I did just order a lassi. Let's hope. Yes, it looks like when I came in before, I ordered a lassi, but they didn't have it. So, you know, it looks like they do this time, which is awesome. Lassi is like one of my favorite drinks, as long as it's done right. In Indonesia, I ordered it once or twice. And it was just like a milkshake, or a thick shake, you know. But yeah, okay, gonna try this. Okay, so as you can see, liquid something. I think you just do this. Looks like it's got some onion in there. This is like maybe a spicy one. Yep, spicy. Yeah, good. Quite watery like the liquid. Not very like thick curry-ish, but it's more like dipping sauce for these. So I'm not exactly sure what's inside there. Saw some onion. I guess once I get closer in, we'll see. But yeah, it's really good. And all the guys here are pretty happy. Yeah, It's good fun. Okay guys, and this is the lassi. I'm not sure, like sometimes it comes like, they do have mango or banana one there. This I think is like the, no, they have kind of a cross next to it. So it's like sweet, salty. I don't know if it's sweet and salty. That's sweet. Okay, so you choose. You choose if you want sweet or salty. And I chose sweet. I think I chose correctly. So the salty one, like, it's really good if you've been sweating a lot. Good for replacing all that. But yeah, right now I can just do with some really sweet yogurt drink, which is what this is. That's really good. Yes, yes, that made me really happy. It was really good actually. All going on, you see? And these guys are awesome, like I did keep saying that. But yes, it's all just too good. No, I kind of want another one. But it seems like a lot, you know? Oh, the best thing was, guess how much that was? Go on, guess. Guess. Free ringgit. It's like less than 80p. Pretty much a meal. I mean, it's, you know, not quite. Probably could do with some rice or something on the side. But still, it's good. Definitely good for a starter. I might just get through this. Let's see how I do. Cool guys, I'm gonna get up. Actually, I'm gonna get some water from the shop on the way home. Check in with these guys and see how much this is, and I'll let you know. So they've got, what do they get? Pullets, lassi, tosai bawang. So bawang, I just looked it up. It's bahasa, sorry, for onion. Did not know that. Did not know that. So that makes sense why there was onion inside it. Probably wouldn't have had that if I knew that bawang was onion. Should have thought about it. Because obviously, you know, the sai, I guess must be bahasa. But then there's chapati. But then there's, you know, there's a bit of a mix of languages again. Yeah, well, I'm gonna see how much it costs. I suspect, no, I'll let them tell me. Okay guys, so that cost me 13.1. I don't know where the 0.1 came from, but who knows. Oh, I forgot these. Maybe these are like 5 each, 0.05 each. I don't know. Don't know what they are either. Gonna find out. A kind of a curry biscuit, I guess. Kind of. Like cumin, obviously flour, onion, maybe a bit of chili, a bit of something else, probably some cheese-ish. Anyway, they're good. Okay. Now. Oh, they're dry. Being dry. Gonna go get some water. Over at that shop, which was like the first shop we went to ages ago. It was really cheap for like big water. But it looks like it's closed actually. Okay. Have to go to a different shop. Okay, stand by. Okay guys, got water, 2 waters. Each was $2.80. It was a bit more expensive. That place over there, $1.20. Can you imagine? But yeah, these are $2.80. Heading back, I think. Although I do feel like maybe getting a dessert. Wow, look, you can see the whole of the towers from here. Wow. Gosh. It's just an amazing place to be, really, isn't it? What I'm actually going to do, I thought I was going to go home, but I might do. I might see if the little Chinese lady is down here. She's got like these sweet rice things. I don't know if she's going to have them. check out, that's our building there. There's a cool street art on it. Yes. Yeah, it does seem, I don't know, seems safe. Seems like there's a lot going on. Seems like you're allowed to paint on walls. Yeah, see, you know, I mean, it's all quite, and it's not getting graffitied over either. And there's no graffiti as such. So I haven't seen any like scribbles or throw ups or tags or anything like this. Oh, is she there? Is she there? Is she there? No, she's gone. Okay. No, she's gone. That's cool. Probably had enough to eat, to be honest. But yeah, so gonna head back up to our place up there somewhere. Does feel like a cool place to be, people. I mean, it's about, we've only been here a few days and we're really like just enjoying, I guess, the simplicity of it, and the without the hassle of the touristiness. Nice to be in a different country and not feel like a tourist, if that makes sense. Feel much more like a traveller here. Like there you just get pushed into this thing of, sorry, there as in, not so much Java, but Bali, Lombok, Nusa Penida, even like the Gillies, you know, all of them. I think because, you know, around Bali they're very I guess pushed up against tourists all the time. The way they do, I don't know, the way that it's all set out, just feels so much more authentic, you know. Nothing against Bali, you know, it all has its place. It all has its place, right? It all has its place in the world, literally in the world. And I enjoyed a lot of it, not all of it, but a lot of it. And yeah, I think we're definitely going back. Definitely want to try, like, give Ubud more of a chance. Just didn't really, I don't know. I've got Asha sending me messages with links to various apartments just to live, I guess, in Malaysia or in Kuala Lumpur. I've only been here a few days, you know. Maybe there's something will, I don't know. I don't know, even with the noise, you know, there's still a lot of peace here. Yeah, there's like some weird noise over there, but just the air feels peaceful. I think because they're not, like, there is the flip side of that, obviously. You walk into a shop like I just did in to buy this water, they don't even barely take it. I was like, oh, okay. Yeah, hi, how you doing? Nothing really. Your customer service here isn't so great, but that's maybe just because we're used to like people kind of, you know, paying you ultimate attention and trying to get you to do something, you know. Interesting. Yeah, because literally, like, I just walked in the shop, the guy barely paid any attention to me. Even when I was paying, he was still on his phone. You know, I didn't really care. And it's ironic, you know, because it's not like he's probably seen that many foreign people comparative to like Bali, for example. You know, you compare that maybe to Java, where again they haven't really probably seen that many people, but they're like, oh, wow, you know. And then again compare it to Bali and they've seen thousands of them, hundreds, millions of them, tourists I mean, and yeah, they pay them attention, but maybe it's not the right attention. Maybe it's not the attention we want. Maybe it's just not the attention I want. Or maybe it's a symptom of being in a large city, you know. This is a large city. Or maybe it is, yeah, the mash, the bringing together of various cultures. Like you feel like it's a lot more, there's a lot more culture. There's obviously a lot less Westerners, a lot less what I'd call, yeah, Westerners, foreigners. But there's a lot more multicultural here. Super interesting, you know. It's just my take on things. I really like it. I think being able to just be, I guess you can be yourself a bit more here. You know, to be allowed to just walk down the street without maybe this money sign like floating above your head. It's interesting, you know. It's nice to be seen as a human again, I guess. Anyway, that's enough rambling. That's the video over. That's the day over. I've probably split this into a few videos because it's probably a long video. So yeah, hopefully you can piece it all together. I'll just sign this one off, you know, as I normally do, by asking you to subscribe and like and comment and share, and then let me know, like, you know, where should we go? Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia even. We're here for a while. Like, this place is definitely growing on us. It'd be nice to kind of maybe check out a few other cities. Yeah, going to Johor, I think, soon, just purely to kind of then walk across the border to Singapore, because Singapore's stupidly expensive to get a place. Yeah, anyway, that's enough. Cheers for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Until then, keep on drifting. See you later.